my name is Astro Ashikar. Welcome back to my channel. And today I will be creating a Scratch project. So yes, in ICT we're learning about Scratch, and I want to give a big shout out to Subhashini ma'am because she teaches us ICT. And today I'm just going to be making a Scratch project. So I opened a different account because my other account I was not able to log into. So I just created a new account, and now I thought of recreating what I did in class. So this is how the Scratch window looks. So this is basically Scratch is a coding site where where you can code different things to a sprite. You can add backdrops, give it to a certain um, uh, coordinate, or yeah, it's really cool. So let me show you how it just starts. So first, I'm going to select a sprite. You start with a cat, but you can change it anything. I thought of making a shark animation, or just like a shark game. So yeah, I'm just going to get a shark. Why am I typing in caps? Why am I still typing in caps? Shark. Shark. Okay, yeah, we got the shark. Now we're gonna get the first one. And as we can see, we have an animation, but we can change that because there are three tabs as you can see: coding, costumes, and sounds. So if you go to costumes, you can draw your own sprite, and then the animation appears here. So I want to delete this hammerhead animation, so I just click on the delete option. So here, I'm not going to do anything. I just came to delete the other hammerhead animation, and then next I'm going to start the coding. First, you have to come to the event place. This is a yellow color block. So whenever we started, we have to put when clicked green mark. So whenever you click that particular animation or movement that you want to do to your sprite, it will happen. So I'm going to put when space key pressed. I'm gonna change that to any key pressed. Then I'm just going to keep it there. And then next I'm going to go to motion. Motion is basically moving your sprite somewhere. So let's say I take away this and put this when arrow key clicked, and then I put move 10 steps. Now look what happens when I click on the arrow. Doesn't it move? That is basically like the move 10 steps, or let's say turn 15 degrees. The sprite is moving 15 degrees every time. So that's how so this is how this type of code, the motion code, works. And then there's also like sound, events, control, um, sensing, operators, variables, and my blocks. So looks how it happens is that, like, let's say hello, and then I click on this and it says hello. And then the sound blocks is that here there's a tab called sounds, so you can choose your own sound like you did to your sprite. So let's say I want to record a sound. This is Astro Ashikar signing out. Bye bye. So imagine I just record that, and then you can crop your audio and then play. This is Astro Ashikar signing out. Bye bye. Then save it, and then when you go back to the code and you go to sound, there'll be like play sound recording one. Now let's see if it actually this is how it actually works. So let me just add that, and then let's see. This is Astro Ashika signing out. Bye bye. And then move 10 steps. So this is how the coding actually works. Now I want to show you my idea, and I'll just show you one last thing. Like there's these forever blocks where, like, if you like do something like play this sound which I just played right now, play recording one until done, and then it'll do that forever if you put it inside the forever block. So I'm taking this, putting inside the forever block, and then it'll just keep repeating. This is Astro Ashikar signing out. Bye bye. This is Astro Ashikar signing out. Bye bye. This is Astro Ashikar signing out. Bye bye. So that's called a forever block, and then there's like wait for 1 second and then do the action and stuff. So now I'm going to actually build my first code. So I'm going to get rid of this and then go to events and get one space key pressed. And then I'm going to go to motion and then get move 10 steps. And then yeah, I'll just keep it space. And then I will I have another idea with go point towards mouse pointer. So I'm going to add that here and then look at what happens. So I'm basically pressing the space key right now. If I hold it, it's like I'm holding it for a long time. So then it'll follow my mouse pointer as if I was holding it for a long time. Wait 1 second, I'll just connect the mouse so it's easier. As you can see, this is my code. It's glitching in the middle, but so far it's really good. So that was my first code, and you can add multiple sprites. So what I'm going to do is first I'm going to get a background. So how you get backgrounds is that there'll be this where you can paint your own background, or you can choose a backdrop. I'm going to choose a backdrop as underwater 2. Look at that, we've changed the backdrop now. So now let's say it's a shark moving in water, right? But then I want it chasing an octopus. Let's add another sprite which is an octopus. So I just click on add sprite. I choose an octopus sprite. Octopus. Now I'm just going to now I have a different sprite in a different page. So you can switch between sprites and you can code each sprite differently. So when I came to the this one, there are many animations for this octopus. So I just want to remove a few animations, like this cup one, this pirate one, and this dancing one. I just want to keep these two animations while the code is running. And then there are two sounds. Look, splash and ocean wave. These are the default sounds. So I'm going to remove splash and then speed. So as you can see in the bottom of the sound tab, there's faster, slower, louder, softer, mute, fade in, fade out, reverse, robot. So I'm gonna make it faster. Probably. Okay, yeah, that I think that's good, right? Okay. And then after we got that sound right, we can actually code the octopus. So I thought it can go randomly anywhere. So I wanted to give the same one. So let's say when space key pressed, so these two actions happen at the same time, and then I give move to random position, go to random position, but it'll look glitchy as you can see. It'll look very glitchy. So I need something to slow down the octopus, or else the shark can never catch it. So there is the control block. So there is this thing called wait 1 second. I'm going to put it there, but decrease the 1 second to 0.3. No, 0.3. Okay. Now look what happens. Go slower. So I wanted to code it like that. So how is this? This is my first try for a scratch coding. So hope you guys liked it. Give this video a like and then share it on other social media and follow me on my other social media. Hope you learned something new today about scratch. This is Astro Ashikar signing out. Bye bye.